Understanding Bagpipe Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, bagpipe repair. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about unique English expressions, this video will shed light on what this phrase means and its context. So, let's get started. Bagpipe repair combines two words, bagpipe and repair. First, let's understand each word. Bagpipe, a traditional musical instrument with a distinctive sound, common in Scotland. Repair, to fix something that is broken or damaged. Together, the phrase refers to the process of fixing or maintaining a bagpipe so that it works correctly and sounds good. This phrase is often used in specific contexts. 1. Music stores, where instruments are sold or repaired. 2. Cultural events, especially in regions where bagpipes are a cultural symbol. 3. Conversations among musicians, particularly those who play or appreciate traditional music. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending conversations about musical instrument maintenance and cultural practices. Learning phrases like bagpipe repair is crucial for several reasons. It enhances vocabulary related to music and culture. It provides insight into cultural references, particularly in Scottish or Celtic contexts. It improves the ability to understand and participate in more diverse and specific conversations. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, especially for those of you fascinated by unique phrases in the English language. Bagpipe repair isn't just about fixing an instrument, it's a gateway to understanding a rich cultural tradition. Stay curious, and keep learning new phrases. See you in the next video.